Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In the last video we have seen that how we can install Java in our operating system. Now in this video we will see that how we can install Eclipse IDE on our Windows operating system. Now IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which helps you to code your programs. So first of all, open your browser and search for Eclipse IDE. Just click this link here and it will open this page. So you have to download Eclipse IDE. So here is the download button. Click on it. After clicking on download, it will open this page. So click on this. And now you have to download it. So just click on the download. And it will start downloading the Eclipse IDE. So now it is downloaded. So open this. Now you have to click on run. And now it is opening. It will take some time. And this time I can see this window here. There are multiple options like Eclipse IDE for C developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers, Eclipse IDE for PHP developers, and many more. But you have to click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So click on it. Simply go ahead and click on install and it will start installing. Accept now. And here it will start installing. Now click on remember choice and accept it. Simply go ahead and now you can launch the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here the Eclipse IDE is starting. Now you can select the workspace. It is completely your choice. I will keep it to desktop. So just browse and select desktop. And here you can select the folder. And also you can create a new folder. So I am creating a new one. And so let's just name it as Eclipse. Now I have selected my folder. So I am going to check it and launch it. So finally Eclipse IDE is starting. So here we are. Now we have the Eclipse IDE and this is the welcome page of it. So now I am just going to cancel it. And now you can create your Java project here. So that's all for today. In the next video we will create our first Java program. So stay tuned.